Hi everyone! Today on Clove and Cumin, we are making super crispy, perfectly seasoned falafel from scratch. Let's begin by soaking dried chickpeas overnight. You can't use canned chickpeas to make falafel because they get too mushy and have too much water. Now in a food processor, add the chickpeas, cilantro, parsley, onion, garlic, black pepper, salt, cumin, and coriander. Pulse the mixture until it's finely minced but not pureed. If you need to, you can also scrape the sides of the bowl as needed and keep blending. The mixture is ready when a pressed handful holds its shape and doesn't crumble. Now pour the falafel mixture into a bowl and refrigerate for at least 15 minutes or up to 3 days. Right before frying the falafel, add sesame seeds and baking powder. Mix thoroughly. Using an ice cream scoop, scoop out the mix and shape into balls. The uniform size ensures even cooking. And make sure you really press the balls while shaping it so that it's really firm. So let's fry the falafel balls. Make sure the oil is at least 350 degrees Fahrenheit before starting, and fry just a few at a time. And we're done. I love eating falafel with my favorite sides, like Greek tomato, cucumber, and feta salad, onions with sumac, a little tzatziki, and a lot of this great green cilantro garlic chili sauce that we have posted on our website. Enjoy!